Considering how large a role it plays in everybody's lives, I don't think people have a true grasp of how strong air pressure is. It's an important thing to consider because it controls our breathing, it controls the effectiveness of car motors, and it's also the reason that planes need to stay pressurized. Here's a simple test you can do at home just to show how strong this force really is. I put coffee grounds in this balloon, which I've then put around a syringe. As you can see, when the syringe is pushed in, the coffee is quite malleable and you can change it to whatever position you want. But when you pull the syringe out, the coffee becomes rock solid. So solid, in fact, that you can hit the table with it. This is because as I remove air from the balloon, there's less air inside the balloon to push outwards, so the air on the outside is able to squeeze the balloon much more tightly. Because of this immense squeezing from the outside, the friction between the coffee granules is actually extremely high. I can demonstrate how high by placing this over the glass and pulling the air out. The friction is actually high enough that I can pick up the glass and pour it into the second glass. As you can see, this squeezing is actually so strong that it can actually lift objects against gravity. So why doesn't the cup get lifted on its own, I hear you ask? It's because it has air pressure from every direction acting on it, so the forces on it always balance. Don't forget that when I lift things, I still need to provide the vertical force. The air pressure only provides friction. This shows that air pressure is constantly squeezing everything with a force that's large enough to lift objects against gravity. You probably never noticed this force, however, because your body is designed to not only withstand this force, but in fact wouldn't function without it.